Hello everyone, we are from UNITA. My name is Muhammad Iqbal.
My name is Tai Eng.
My name is Lim Jiahui.
And my name is Lim Jia.
And my name is Kamala.
Today we will be presenting on the topic Youth Entrepreneur and the Poll Management in Online Businesses. I will start with the introduction first. Yours no longer and only scrolling online, they are just building their own online empires. They are using their creativity and idea to create a real business. Digital platforms like TikTok, Lazada, and Shopee allow young entrepreneurs to reach customers, to sell products, and also to manage their business entirely from their device. But it's not just about having a good idea. It's with planning, organizing, leading, and also controlling. The management skills are the bridge that transform the creativity into real business. And for the example, Jan Cha, the Malaysian digital entrepreneur. Jan Cha behind Cha's skincare brand founded in 2019. And also the Mother Checkers for fashion and lifestyle brand. Her success shows that combining the creativity and idea can also create a great business for all of us. I will hand over to Tan, who will continue the background of entrepreneur Jen Chow.
Jen Chow, also known as Jen Lau, is a 33 years old Malaysian entrepreneur and influencer. She started her first brand, Chow, in 2018, focusing on skincare that promote confidence and comfort. Later, she created Model Chocolate, a fashion brand, and her job cafe, a lifestyle cafe. Through Instagram, YouTube, and her blog, Jen shares beauty and lifestyle content to inspire others with her passion and creative. Next.
Jen Chow use online platforms like TikTok, Shopee, and also Lazada. She used TikTok for promote her product through creative video, while Lazada and Shopee for her customer to buy anywhere and anytime in Malaysia.
Okay, for branding, how does this entrepreneur Jen Cha set a goal and plan for goal? Okay, she set her goal based on her brand main purpose, which is to create skincare that help people feel confident and comfortable. She also focused on customer need and product quality first instead of rushing to release many products. She also studied market and listened to feedback from her community. She also plan long-term marketing strategy to social media, especially Instagram and TikTok. By setting clear goals and planning every step carefully, she ensured that Cha will be good stability in the digital economy. Okay, for organizing, how do she organize resource, people to finance, to run the business effectively? Okay, first, she organized her resource by building a small in-house team that manage product question, marketing, and customer service. She also worked with skincare experts and reliable suppliers to ensure product safety and quality. To manage people and work efficient, her team used digital tools and online platforms for communication and planning. Financially, she invests wisely in research, product testing, and marketing campaign to keep her brand professional and trusted. Now, let's see leading part. What leadership approaches are used to motivate and guide others involved? For Jen Chang, she always used a friendly and creative leadership style, and she liked to encourage her team to be confident, teamwork, and open with ideas. Third, she often shares behind the scenes story on Instagram to let her team and followers know about the real creative process of her product. The fourth one is she will treat her team member like friends, not just staff or employee. The final is she will create a fun, honest working environment to let her team member inspiring and creative all the time. Now let's look in controlling part. How do they measure performance and ensure quality of customer satisfaction? Yes, Jen Chatbot ensure her product quality and customer satisfaction. She's very care about her product. First, she will check every design of her product and campaign before launching it. Second, she will use customer feedback to make her branch improve and move on to the out level. Third one is she will track social media analytics, such as she will see the like, comments, list to see what works best for her, and then later she will change anytime to make her brand's quality and good. Fourth is her team will always test and refine product before release the all product to customers to make sure customers receive the product is quality and good. Last, she will maintain her brand quality and customer trusted to make her brands longer, stronger, and consistent all time.
Now, I will talk about the conclusion part. As we saw before, that before all the things we had included about Jane Chang. So for the conclusion part, Jane Chang shows that how entrepreneurs use 4 key management rules for success in digital economy, such as the 4 main themes, which was the planning, the organizing, the leading, and the control. She also plans with direction, manages her teams, leads with honesty, and monitors the performance of her brands with strategy and strength to make sure her brands stand out and make sure a customer always buy her product and the brand. Her journey also proves creativity, consistency, and a strong brand can turn passion into an expanding business in today's economy world and can make it a biggest inspiration for the young generation. She also have a great leadership in an action that make her really stand out and also make sure her brand really well known for the people. The last one is Jane's success inspires young Malaysians to chase their dreams in the business and build something meaningful by themselves in today's fast-growing economy that make everyone want to have their own brand, the digital economy. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now is the Q&A section. The first question, who is the youth entrepreneur that we mentioned just now?
Jane Chang.
Correct. What is her brand name?
Charles and Mother Tracker.
Wow!